Welcome to our lives, our story. This is a space where real life experiences meet faith, hope, and resilience. Every story we share reminds us that even in moments of change and challenge, God's guidance and provision never fail. Sometimes God moves us not for comfort but for growth. Moving to a new province was one of the hardest and most meaningful decisions we've ever made. It tested us in ways we didn't expect, stretched our faith, and reshaped our perspective on life. What seemed overwhelming at first became a journey of discovery, trust, and unexpected blessings. Moving to a new province is a huge adjustment. It touches every part of life. It's not just a change of address, it's a change in rhythm, environment, relationships, and work. New surroundings replace the familiar, routines are rewritten, and faces once known are replaced with strangers. It truly feels like starting over, and that can be both exciting and overwhelming at the same time. This journey required real sacrifice. Leaving behind family, close friends, and a city we loved was not easy. Walking away from a stable job and the comfort of familiarity meant letting go of security and stepping into the unknown. Financially, it felt like starting from scratch, rebuilding step by step, learning to trust again, and embracing uncertainty. There were days when we questioned our choices, moments when we missed home deeply, and nights when the weight of change felt heavier than we could bear. And yet, through it all, God has been good. Every step of the way, He provided, sometimes in ways we expected, and often in ways we didn't. Even when things felt unclear, doors opened at just the right time. Needs were met and strength came exactly when we needed it most. We were reminded that God doesn't always give us the full picture, but He gives us exactly what we need for each day. His timing is perfect even when ours feels rushed or uncertain. Yes, we miss our city life, the familiarity, the pace, and the people who shaped our lives. But living in another province has become an incredible adventure. It has stretched us, taught patience, built resilience, and deepened our faith. What once felt unfamiliar is slowly becoming a place we can call home. Along the way, we've discovered new strengths, new perspectives, and even new joys that we didn't know were possible. Every small victory, every new friend, every familiar smile along the way has been a reminder that growth often comes through change. For anyone thinking about moving to another province, here's some advice from our experience. Take the time to really understand the place you're moving to. Research everything from job opportunities, cost of living and housing, to transportation, healthcare, and even the pace of life. Talk to people who already live there. Preparation won't remove all challenges, but it will help you step into the change with confidence, realistic expectations, and fewer surprises. Moving isn't just a physical journey, it's emotional, spiritual, and relational too. You'll need to give yourself grace as you adapt. It's okay to miss what you left behind. It's okay to take time to find your rhythm. And it's okay to lean on God and the people around you for support. Every step, no matter how small, is progress. This season has been proof that growth often comes disguised as discomfort. When we step out in faith, even when it costs us something, we are taught lessons we could never learn otherwise. We are reminded of the power of resilience, of patience, and of trust in God's provision. I am deeply grateful for the sacrifices, the lessons, and the many small and big ways God has provided. He sustains us, guides us, and walks with us through every new beginning. Even when the path is uncertain, even when it feels lonely or difficult, we are never truly alone. Life may ask us to leave what we love behind, but it also gives us the opportunity to discover new blessings, to meet new people, and to grow stronger in faith and character. We'd love to hear your story. Have you ever moved or started over? How did it change you? Drop a comment below, give this video a like, and subscribe so we can continue growing this community together. Here on Our Lives, Our Story, we celebrate real experiences, lessons learned, and the faith that carries us through life's big transitions. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. And remember, every ending is also a new beginning, and God walks with us every step of the way.